Hello and welcome to Living in Indianapolis, Indiana. I'm Evan Deal with the Lead Icon team in eXp Realty, and today we are in Pendleton, Indiana at Arbor Homes community, and this is the development. Cold Springs at Huntzinger Farm. Yes, Huntzinger Farm is a larger community, and they've got this new addition with beautiful, beautiful homes. We're gonna check it out. Before we get to that, leave a like on this video, hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell. Let's go! Alrighty, today we are checking out the Bradford. I get a lot of people asking me about ranches and can you build a new ranch? The answer is yes, you can build a new ranch and it is a beauty. So let's take a look through the whole house, room by room. All right, first things first, we're in the entryway. It's an entryway. And what's that? Yes, clean sight lines. You know I love clean sight lines front to back on the house. It's always something to look through because it really enhances your natural light, and natural light makes all the difference. Trust me, it gets gray here in Indiana in the winter. If you're not used to it, you really need some extra windows. All right, right off the side here, you've got this flex space. They've got it as a really nice dining area. You've got the beautiful double window up front. I like those high curtains too. I don't know if you ceiling mount your curtains, it lengthens the room. It's a design trick, look into it. But this is a nice room. You could use this as an office. You could use this as a sitting area. I mean, it's really nice. So whatever you like. Right off to the side here, that's the upstairs. We'll get to that later. So let's pop into the main space. Once again, this is a ranch and the base of this model is gonna start in the 270s for this community, which is a really amazing price around Indianapolis. And you're gonna be able to find some of those deals with Arbor Homes, with the Pendleton area. So if you're looking at new builds, but you don't want to break the bank, this is going to be a really, really nice option for you. Now you're going to see some upgrades in here that aren't in that base price, but you're looking at more $350 for what you're seeing today. And that's still an amazing price. So check it out. All right, we are in the kitchen. This is a nice wide kitchen. So, you know, I like to measure the aisleways here in the kitchen. It's like, how much can you squeeze past? Are you gonna run into each other? You're not gonna run into each other here. This is how you want it to be. You got the stainless steel appliances throughout. Very nice looking. Your range, your microwave. You got the big sink. Man, you could fit all your dishes in there. I mean, you should do your dishes. You got the nice dishwasher, of course, off to the side. But if you're not doing your dishes, at least you got a ton of space, right? You got the nice little pendant lights here over the counter. This is a funky counter. The corners cut down here, but that actually increases your walkway through here. You know, I like to run into counters. My wife likes to run into counters too. So this is actually a really nice feature. So you're not running into counters when you're swinging around to get to your, wait for it, your pantry. That's right. So you got the pantry right off the kitchen and you have plenty of cabinetry too. So, you know, you're storing your cookware, you're storing your food. You got plenty of space here, nothing to worry about. Even, you know, in the ranch setup, you still have tons and tons of space. So check out, this is the other half of your open area. So we covered the kitchen. Now you've got your living area, your living room, great room. It's a great room, whatever you want to call it. So they've got it staged really nicely here. There's a ton of space. I don't know if I can fully convey it, but this is a really roomy, big area. So if you've got kids with toys, there's space here where you can have some nice organization in the corners. You could put built-ins in here. You could put a huge sofa. You know, maybe you want to build a lovesack sofa and build like the biggest monstrosity ever. You could fit that in here if you wanted to. This is a good living room. Plenty of natural light too. So let's take a peek. Hey, let's take a peek over here. So you can see, nice size lot, nice size backyard. You can pop a fence up there, let your dog run around, whatever you're looking for. Definitely a good space here. All right, right off the living room, you're gonna have, your primary bedroom. Yes, this is a good sized room. You see they got some pretty good sized furniture here, a little chair in the corner. So this is gonna be a good sized master. And check out, here's an upgrade, the tray ceiling. Tray ceilings always look nice. They add a little bit of space, a little bit of depth to the room. So really a lot to like. And once again, the double window, plenty of natural light. Ensuite is awfully sweet. So check it out. You got the double vanity over here. It's a little smaller than some vanities we've seen, but this is a smaller home than other homes we've seen, right? This is ranch style living. You're gonna have a little bit smaller places like the island, you know, the vanity here. It happens, but it's perfectly fun because you still got all the functionality. I mean, check out these drawers right here. There's a lot of storage. You can fit a lot of makeup or shampoo or shaving cream or whatever you need. Glass shower, very tall, very tile, very nice. Nothing else to say. Check it out. Big, deep closet here. So you got that extra storage space for all your towels and sheets. No throne room here. This is a big difference. Hey, they got a wall though, and the wall really helps. All right, step into the closet. Not too bad. You got this side over here, this side over here, and then the little secret side back here. My recommendation in this closet is to finish it out because that'll give you a ton of extra space given the configuration. That one's not a straight up box. So with the right kind of drawers, the right kind of hang, you're gonna double the space of that closet. And in a ranch style home, that can make a big difference. Here's your front hall closet up here. And then we head off down the hallway. You've got your laundry room slash mud room slash dog bedroom, if you want, up front. And this is gonna connect to your garage, of course. You got a little tiny closet over here as well. And here's where your laundry hookups are. Keeping going down the hallway, we got ourselves a nice little smart thermostat. And then you've got your main bath over here. Normal bath, full bath, shower. Check out the flooring, nice LVP throughout. Looks really good, really good color as well. So, a couple bedrooms off to the side here. These are gonna be more like kid-sized rooms, maybe a guest room. Check it out, good sized bedroom. Got the closet in the back there. Finish it out, put French doors on it. It'll make all the difference. And then over here, another bedroom, exact same setup. They've got good windows, good natural light. So we've got 3 bedrooms. We've got 2 baths. What else we got? We got open area, we got the flex space. Let's take a peek up here. All right, what are we gonna find upstairs? You're saying, Evan, this is a ranch house. Why are we headed upstairs? You know, there are ranches that are 1.5s. Well, this is a ranch that's a 1.5, so check it out. This is your hangout space up here. This is like a loft, basement, whatever, this type of feel. And so you've got this full hangout space with a ton of flex room. So you need another desk up here. Maybe you want homework station. Maybe you want man cave. Whatever you're looking for, this is a great area for it. It really is a true flex, and you can flex on your friends because you've got the flex space. Storage closet as well up here. So really a lot to like throughout the model. This community is going to be a lot more affordable than some of the other ones we've looked at on this channel. And Arbor is really good about making options work for you. So if you're looking for a partner to help you get into that new build without you absolutely just crushing and blowing past your budget, there are tons of options here. The home I showed you, like I said, it's around $350,000 with all the upgrades. That's like the median home price in Pendleton, and it's a brand new home, brand new ranch style home with huge ceilings. Did I even mention the ceilings? Look how tall these are. They are sky reaching. Not gonna get that in existing construction. No, sir. So not only that, you can really trick out your house with all the upgrades and not break the budget. But even if your budget is a little bit below that, like I said, this community has options starting in the 270s. Around Indianapolis, that is outstanding value. Pendleton is a growing area. We've talked about it on this channel before, but the population here continues to grow and grow, and communities like Cold Springs here at Huntzinger Farm are a big reason why. This is where a lot of people are moving to because these homes are really nice. There's a playground right here in the community. You can drive down to, the Pendleton Falls Park, but you don't have to. You can play right here. There's no walking trail in the community, but this is a very expansive, beautiful community. It's got the farm on one side, and you really have a lot of space to walk your dog, to get out, meet your neighbors if you want to. It's a nice big community, and these areas are starting to pop up around Pendleton. So if you're looking to get in at a good price in a smaller town community around Indianapolis with pretty highly rated schools, you know, at the South Madison, Pendleton Heights High School, this is a great option for you. So let me know what you think. Are you looking for a ranch? Are you looking around Indianapolis? Maybe you're looking in Pendleton. Let me know below. I'd love to talk with you. We can either talk in the comments, you can text me, you can email me, we can set up a Zoom, whatever works. If you're looking to move to the Indianapolis area or Pendleton, really anywhere in central Indiana, let me know. I'd love to meet you and I'd love to work with you. So with that, if you like this video, leave a like, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you're kept in the loop on everything happening in and around Indianapolis, the Circle City that we love and call home. With that, I'm Evan Deal with the Lead Icon team and eXp Realty. We'll see you in the next one.